So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view message information on WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the inbox of your WhatsApp. Now to view a message information, you should have to tap on message. So my message is available on Archive, so I am tapping here. Now I will tap on a message until I will see the option of three dot, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then here you will see the option of info, so tap here. Then see, you will find information regarding your message, when you have read it, when it has been delivered, and many more. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.